Hello, welcome back to our channel, Health and Happiness for Life. Today, we'll be diving into the world of Hygge, the Danish concept of creating a cozy and happy home. If you've ever wondered how to infuse your living space with warmth and tranquility, then this video is for you. So, let's get started. First of all, what exactly is Hygge? Well, it's more than just a design trend, it's a way of life. Hygge encompasses all things cozy, comforting, and mindful. It's about creating an atmosphere that promotes genuine happiness and contentment. To embrace Hygge in your home, you need to focus on certain key elements. The first is lighting. Soft and warm lighting can drastically change the ambiance of a room. Swap out harsh fluorescent bulbs for warm-toned ones, and add some candles to create a soothing and inviting environment. Next, let's talk about creating cozy corners. Hygge is all about making your home a sanctuary, a place where you can relax and unwind. So, why not designate a cozy corner just for that purpose? Find a quiet space filled with plush cushions, blankets, and maybe a bookshelf stocked with your favorite reads. This will become your go-to spot for unwinding and rejuvenating. Now, one of the essential aspects of Hygge is indulging in simple pleasures. And what better way to do that than through food and drinks? Embrace the joy of slow living by preparing warm, comforting beverages like hot cocoa or a fragrant herbal tea. Taking the time to prepare and savor these cozy drinks can truly uplift your spirit. Hygge also encourages spending quality time with loved ones. Gather your family and friends around a beautifully set table for a cozy dinner. Opt for comfortable chairs, soft table linens, and add some natural elements like flowers or branches to create a warm and inviting ambiance. Remember, it's the people we share our space with that truly make it a home. Hygge isn't just about creating warmth, but also about embracing simplicity. A clutter-free home can help foster a sense of calmness and peace. Consider adopting a more minimalist approach when it comes to decor. Invest in quality pieces, declutter regularly, and keep only the things that truly bring you joy. Remember, less is more. Lastly, Hygge wouldn't be complete without a mention of the cozy wonder of fireplaces. If you're fortunate enough to have one, make it a central feature of your home. A roaring fire can instantly create a sense of warmth and comfort. If you don't have a fireplace, don't worry. There are plenty of electric alternatives that can bring the same cozy ambiance to your space. And there you have it, tips and ideas on how to create a cozy and happy home inspired by the Danish concept of Hygge. Remember, it's not about chasing perfection but rather focusing on the moments that bring us joy, comfort, and a sense of well-being. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let us know in the comments how you plan to introduce Hygge into your life. Wishing you all warmth and coziness. Until next time, take care.